Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Today's date is 21/12/20. Your period is first and your class is ninth. Duration 40 minutes. I'm going to teach you economics and my name is Surabhi Srivastava. Okay, students, I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to answer in a complete sentence. So what are cooler, fan, iron, etc.?
Cooler, fan, iron are electronic gadgets or instruments.
Okay. Besides summer, what are the options available for winter in these electrical equipment?
Heater, heater,
Yes, yes. In winter,
etc.
yes. In winter, how do we get hot water for bathing?
Geysers. From geysers, we get hot water.
Okay. How geyser works?
Geyser works on heating technology. It heats the water.
Yes. What will geyser, cooler, fan, iron, etc. collectively called?
Electrical
Okay.
appliances.
Okay. So today we are going to read about merits and demerits of machines.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Here are some merits of machines. First one is they are helpful in hard and heavy works. Second is helpful in doing tiny and delicate works. Third one or third merit is large scale of production. Fourth is uniformity of production. So can you tell me any merit of machines?
Uniformity of production helps human to complete the desired work.
Okay, good. So here it is discussed about first is helpful in hard and heavy works. So they are many jobs which are very difficult and risky, and man cannot complete them with only personal labor. Means man is not efficient to complete that work alone. So these works have come to be performed by machines easily. Machines can easily perform them, and man cannot perform them with their personal labor. Second is helpful in doing tiny and delicate works. Tiny and delicate works, which either cannot be performed by hand or there is great hardship in doing them, can be done with the help of machines easily. Example, making very tiny parts of a clock.
Yes, ma'am.
And this can easily be done by machines in comparison to man. Man cannot complete them. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, can you tell any example which machine can do and man cannot do?
Machine can transport large amount of things from one place to another. Example like truck.
And you can also give the example of tiny clocks, making delicate and tiny parts of the clock. Okay. Here are some demerits of machines. First is fear of unemployment. Machine causes a fear of unemployment. Second is fear of excessive production. Third is decline of cottage industries. Fourth is polluted atmosphere of cities.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell any demerit of machines?
It creates pollution
Okay.
and sometimes it is dangerous to operate.
Okay. So decline of cottage industries. The machines make cheap and beautiful articles in factories, which of this the because of this the handmade articles made in cottage industries could not compete with them. It causes downfall of cottage industries. As the products made with the help of machines are very cheap and beautiful, so the handmade products are uh, not so much uh, beautiful and cheap. So people uh, opt the products made by machines. Second is polluted atmosphere of cities. As hundreds of industries are operating in one center, the atmosphere of cities becomes dirty, smoky, and boring. Such an atmosphere has adverse impact on the health of workers. So, machines produces large amount of pollution and it pollute our atmosphere of the cities. Okay. Let's test how much have you learned. So tell me, give one advantage of machines.
It helps human to complete the task easily.
Okay. Write one disadvantage of machines.
It creates pollution in the environment.
Yes. Okay. What is fear of unemployment?
Fear of unemployment means they're not getting a job because jobs are replaced by machines.
Yes. What is large scale production?
Large amount of production has been done with the help of machines.
Good. Very good. Fill in the blanks. First one is fear of unemployment is a dash of machines.
Drawbacks.
Yes, drawbacks or disadvantage. Okay. Second is helpful in hard and heavy works is a dash of machines.
Advantage of machine.
Yeah. Machine helps in more production at a dash.
Low cost.
Yes. A machine performs work equal to dash laborers.
Equal to many laborers.
Yeah, or 15 to 20 laborers. Here's your homework. Write the types of machines. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, class.